Hello everyone. Our project title is Soldier Health Monitoring System and Position Tracking System. One of the fundamental challenges in military operations lays in the soldiers not able to communicate with the control room in panic situations and get in danger. For monitoring purposes, using GPS and GSM, we are able to give proper location and good communication in the critical conditions with real human monitoring and alert automation system. Many times soldiers face problem to improper weather like excessive heat, cold and various climatic conditions.
Let us discuss about the equipments of the project.
Here at first we discuss the transformer, that is 12 volt and 2 ampere step down transformer, which is connected through the bridge rectifier which convert AC into DC. This is the voltage regulator which convert 12 volt into 5 volt because of most of the components are works on the 5 volt. This is the LCD we are using 16 by 2 in which its RS pin is enabled. D0, D1, D2, D3 has no connection. D4, D5, D6 is connected to the controller. The controller which we are using, that is PIC 18F4520 microcontroller, has a 14 pins. It has a inbuilt ADC. Here are two push buttons. First is a emergency signals and second is a PPM. Whenever emergency signal is pressed, then it collected all the data from the system and send it to the base station. The PPM which we are using, it is used for the heartbeat sensor. By this which we can measure the heartbeat sensor which is displayed on this LCD. Here are two relays, that is single pole and double throw. Across this relay there are connected two LCDs. This is the GPS GSM module for the communication purpose. Here we are insert any SIM cards for the communication. This is the transmitter and this is the receiver. Transmitter transmit the signal to control station and receiver receives the signals. This is the antenna.
Hardware components has already seen. So in softwares we are using embedded IDE software and programming with the CSS compiler and ThinkSpeak website. When we switch on the system, component starts working. When we put in fingers in the pulse sensor, it starts calculating the pulses of body and showing results in the LCD display. Also the temperature senses the temperature and showing the results in the LCD display. After 1 minute, it can be sends the proper temperature and the pulse rate signal. The temperature 35 degrees Celsius. As we set the temperature, then the fan starts working the body. When there is any emergency situation occurs, if the temperature is above 35 degrees Celsius and the pulse rate is not normal, then the exact value of the pulse rate and the temperature module, as a GSM module contains the SIM. When signal sends to the base station, it contains the exact value of the soldier's location, soldier's heart rate and the exact body temperature of the soldier. Station contains the all data of soldiers with the help of ThinkSpeak website. See on the screen, it's showing the graph of the soldier's body temperature and the pulse rate. So like this, the position tracking and health monitoring of the soldiers can be done.
All the components are inserted in the soldier jacket. The rest is made for lightweight and convenient for soldier to wear. This jacket can be used in all the border security forces, military and military camps and all field. High level of security has been provided. Soldier is monitor continues.